Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video you are going to prep for a new week with me. This video was filmed on a Sunday. On a Sunday I like to get everything in order for the week ahead so I can be as organised as possible. So the first thing I have done is a big family weekly shop. I've just been to Asda, got everything that we will need for the week, for all of the meals during the week. As you can see, this is all the food that I got and I'm going to put it all away. Everything that needs to go in the fridge will go in the fridge, and then I will also wash the fruit that will go down in the fruit and veg drawer as well. I'm going to restock these pantry baskets as well. We get through so many potatoes. This basket will be empty by the end of the week, and then just snacks and crisps and things for lunch for the boys, things like that. Bananas, Cooper goes through so many bananas. All of these things that need to go in the pantry at the start of the week will pretty much be gone by Friday. I'm also just going to wipe down this shelf at the bottom of the pantry as well because it has got a little bit mucky. Obviously can't forget the boys' snacks as well. I mean, how many snacks can one child have in one day? That is the question. Okay, food shop and restock is done. I'm going to put away my bags for life in these cute little storage baskets that I keep above the fridge, and I'm on to the next job. The next job is to do the washing. I always do a whitewash on a Sunday so that my son's school shirts are all clean and ready for his first day back at school tomorrow. The washing machine is currently full from a wash that I put on this morning, so the first thing I need to do is empty the washing machine, put anything that needs to go in the tumble dryer in the tumble dryer, and everything else will be hung on the clothes area. So all of the pants and towels and things that go in the tumble dryer are in here. I'm just going to stick in a dryer sheet, empty the water condenser tray as well, and I will turn that on. I'm just going to pull down the ceiling area. There are some clothes on here from yesterday's washing load, so I need to take all of these off, fold those up, ready to be put away, and then I can put on today's wet clothes. Okay, now that's all done, I can finally put on the whitewash. Just going to put a pod in there with a scoop of stain remover as well that I always put in with a whitewash. Leo's jiu-jitsu uniform that needs washing every week, and as I said, his school shirts, I make sure I wash those every Sunday along with anything else white that has built up during the week. So while the sound of the washing machine is humming away, I'm just going to quickly do a once over in the kitchen. Just going to load up the dishwasher and wipe down the kitchen sides. are the cleaning cloths that you just saw me take off the clothes area, so I'm just going to fold these up and put them away. I keep blue together, so it's blue for the loo and then pink for the sink and other colours as well. I just make sure I keep the blue for the loo ones separate for obvious reasons. So I'm just going to put all of these clean ones away back under the sink, ready for next week with any cleaning that I'll be doing next week. I'm going to clean the boys' toilet. Honestly, if you're a subscriber, you'll know how often I clean the toilets. I'm going to spray some Viacal on the back of the toilet before I start. If you get that stain on the back of the toilet bowl, I suggest spraying a little bit of Viacal on there for 5 minutes. Let it work its magic for 5 minutes or so while you clean the rest of the toilet, and then those marks will come off when you scrub it. I'm just going to scrub down with some toilet gel, and the toilet is good to go, clean and ready for another week. Although, to be honest, it will probably be covered in pee and messy again by this time tomorrow. Next thing I want to do is hoover all of the bedrooms and the landing carpets upstairs. I'm going to start by putting on some Glade Shake and Vac. I don't do this every time I hoover, but it's nice to do it on a Sunday. You know, set yourself up for the week ahead, make the rooms smell lovely. As you can see, it also helps to create really nice hoover lines as well, which gives me such joy, I cannot tell you. I'm going to repeat the process in my younger son's room. I will also do it on the landing, as I said, and in our bedroom as well. Okay, we fast forwarded a few hours now into the early evening. As you can see, I've changed into my pajamas as always. I'm going to sort the recycling. This is something I do every Sunday because our collection is on a Monday morning, which I love because it's perfect for feeling organized for a new week. So I'm going to take out our recycling from our pantry area. One of them is cardboard, the other is plastic and cans, and I'm going to dispense those containers into the proper recycling containers that will then be put out onto the street, ready to be collected in the morning. I think this is the moment that Clint realised that I'm filming. He had no idea. I always wash out my recycling containers after I empty them. It gets lots of drips and things inside them, so I like to clean them and have them nice and fresh for the week ahead. Okay, next thing I need to do on this Sunday evening is the ironing. As you know, I did a whitewash today with all of Leo's white school shirts. Those shirts are now all dry and ready to be ironed and hung in his wardrobe, ready for a new week at school. So I'm just going to iron all of his school shirts, and I will iron his shorts as well. I'm filming this in the summer, hence why I'm not having to iron his jumpers, because it is absolutely boiling this week. So now everything is ironed, I'm going to hang up his uniforms in his wardrobe. I use these wardrobe dividers to put every day's uniform each up there so I can see his uniform for every day and I can quickly grab it in the mornings. These were from Amazon. They are linked in my Amazon storefront, which is always in my description box. Guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.